Welcome to the webinar Beyond the Dashboard for Data Analytics. Now, before we begin, I'd like to introduce you to our panelists, starting with our most senior expert.
Great, thanks, Alex. My name's Bob Jackson, and good afternoon, and thank you for attending this webinar. So I've been installing and configuring SampleManager for over 30 years now. However, a few years ago, I discovered R, an open source statistical analysis program, and I've used it on a couple of projects along with some of the library packages. And today, I'm very excited to share how well R is now integrated into SampleManager and how easy it is to integrate into dashboards and help solve problems in the laboratory.
Okay, thank you, Bob. So my name is Alexios Kronis, and I've been in laboratory informatics for the past 23 years. My background includes STARLIMS development and configuration, business analysis, and process improvement through lean practices. Thank you.
And I'm Phil Callahan. I have 17 years of experience working in lab informatics, 7 of that in labware. The first half I was a system user as a chemist, microbiologist on the bench, and then transitioned onto the admin side. I also have a master's in data science, so I'll come in at the end of our talk and show some advantages of running analytics outside your LIMS.
Awesome. Great, Phil. Okay. Oh, went over. Thank you. All right. So for this webinar, we will be taking a journey together into data analytics options, both internal and external, and we'll explain the two as we go forward. Now, moving beyond just the basic dashboards that may come out of the box with your current LIMS system, and learning how data itself feeds into the analytics tools in a controlled manner. Now, as more companies are looking to streamline their processes and cut costs in manufacturing and overall testing, data analytics can be a critical tool in those areas and more. Now, by the end of this webinar, you will be understanding how to start your analytics journey, learn what options are available to you, along with additional pros and cons from the internal and the external. You'll realize how to add immediate value and then see real-life examples of how some of our clients are using data analytics for their businesses today. Okay, now, so before we begin, you know that there are more data analytics tools becoming available on the market with newer technologies and a faster pace to get processes more efficient and decisions to be made. There has been a huge increase in interest in this area, particular area of computing. Now, as such, most modern top-tier LIMS vendors are listening and recognizing that data analytics within their products provides clients with internal options to visualize their own data. However, you are not limited, as the same data can also be exported from a LIMS environment to external third-party software. And these options allow clients to centralize functionality and increase their return on investment overall. But we'll have Phil explain that a little bit later within the webinar. So the primary question is, where do we start? So now, before making any decision